I'm ready.
Welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where every week we introduce a new cocktail using our fabulous products. We're here at North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery, Muddy River Distillery. I'm Robbie. This is Justin. Justin, what are we doing today?
We're flipping it up today. I'm the host. We are making the Commodore Daiquiri. Recently, my wife and I went to New York to a place called the Polynesian. If you're in the city and you get a chance to go by the Polynesian, check them out. They're making some fantastic cocktails. We're making our spin on the Commodore Daiquiri. Daiquiris are a difficult drink to get right. So we're hoping that today we're able to get this one right.
I'm sure we will.
Robbie's going to slice up some limes over there. We're going to start off. It calls for 1 ounce of silver rum and 1 ounce of aged rum. But we're going to make a double batch of it. So we're going to do 2 ounces of everything. So we're going to start with 2 ounces silver rum. Put ice in there first time.
No. Or you could. You can always add the ice afterwards.
All right. So that's 2 ounces of silver rum. I think we're going to go with the regular Queen Charlotte single year today. 2 ounces of this.
These products can all be found in your local North Carolina ABC store, also South Carolina ABC stores. If you don't see us at your local store, please ask for us. You can also buy it at the distillery.
All right. So there is our alcohol. Now, Robbie, we need 2 ounces of lime juice in here as well.
All right. So for 2 ounces of lime juice, we need 2 full limes. So squeeze these in there.
Hey, we rolled them around. Lots of juice coming out of there.
Always very crucial to use fresh ingredients. Fresh citrus makes a huge difference.
It definitely does.
That's 4 halves, make 2 ounces.
Fantastic.
All right.
Now we're going to use 1.5 ounces of cane sugar, simple syrup.
You can buy simple syrup already made. Most of the time we just make this at home. Here's 1.5 ounces.
Fantastic. Now the last ingredient that you're going to need for this is called ube extract, and it is derived from purple sweet potatoes. I will tell you that this stuff will stain everything that it touches, so be very careful with it. You need 1 dash. Now, I'm pouring this out with the medicine dropper because this bottle does not have a little plastic spout in there. This is going to be oil.
Did you find this in your grocery store? You actually bought this on the internet,
I
right?
bought this on Amazon.
Perfect.
Yeah.
2 dashes, and then I stir that.
Let's add some ice to it, too.
All right. The color is amazing.
Yeah. Literally stains everything it touches. A little bit more ice in there. Robbie's going to do the old stir up.
All right. Stir it up.
So the guy in here. I'm going to try my best to get equal parts. Did you make some garnish over there?
Yes, sir.
If you get this drink at the Polynesian, they're going to put an orchid in your glass. And while it is very attractive,
Like me.
like Robbie, it's not really what we have sitting around in the distillery. We got limes. So guys, this is the Muddy River take on the Commodore Daiquiri. All the information about it will be in the description below. I would like to take a sip of this first and foremost.
Let's see how it is.
Cheers.
It looks amazing.
The ube extract is
but it makes it.
It's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Recipes for the cocktail will be in the description below, as well as some other information about this drink. If you're interested in more information about Muddy River Distillery, please visit us at muddyriverdistillery.com. Our products are available in North and South Carolina liquor stores, as well as at the distillery itself. You can come and see us every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 o'clock for tours. Other than that, if you don't see our products in your local liquor store, ask for us. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Nice work on this one.
Cheers. Be rude. That's delicious.
That's good.
Hey!